There's no place, there's nothing better than playing in the state of Minnesota because you guys like to come out and have the time of your life, and thank you so much for making an old Georgia boy feel at home tonight. Thank you. So I hear that ice fishing closed today, is that right? I was wanting to find somebody to take, who's going to take me ice fishing right after the show? It's more like whiskey drinking. Do you ice fish or do you drink? Let me hear you. Either way, I know it. Hey, by the way, I'm from Georgia. It is cold as hell up here. How do y'all live up here? I don't know. Y'all gotta have somebody. Y'all gotta have somebody to snuggle with. That's how it works, right? I get it. Hey, y'all give it up. Give it up one more time for my buddy, Mr. Cole Swindell.